So why is high water pressure so bad, you ask? Well, most of your plumbing fixtures inside your home are only rated to about 75 psi, so anytime that you're serving higher than normal water pressure to those fixtures, you could cause premature failure within those systems. For example, one of the things that I see all the time is when there's high water pressure inside the home, you start seeing drippy faucets, drippy showers, possibly running toilet fill valves, or sometimes you can damage the water heater or damage the water softener as well. So if you haven't had your water pressure checked for a while or you've never had it done before, go out and get a pressure gauge from your hardware store, check it at an outside faucet, see if it's between 45 to 75. If it is, you're good to go. If it's higher than that, I would typically recommend having a pressure reducing valve installed just to regulate that pressure downwards inside your home.